Did you know that most people use ChatGPT the wrong way? In fact, there are hidden tricks inside ChatGPT that can save you hours of work and make your results 10 times better. Today, I'm going to show you 3 hidden ChatGPT tips and tricks that most users don't know about. And trust me, the third trick is a total game changer. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Ask ChatGPT to act like an expert. One of the biggest mistakes people make is asking ChatGPT simple questions. Instead, ask ChatGPT to act like an expert. For example, instead of saying, "Give me YouTube ideas," say, "Act as a professional YouTube growth expert and give me 10 viral video ideas for 2026. This simple trick makes ChatGPT give much better and more professional answers. You can use this for marketing advice, business ideas, content creation, coding help, basically anything. Tip number 2, use step-by-step prompts. Another powerful trick is asking ChatGPT to explain things step by step. For example, explain how to start a YouTube channel step by step for beginners. When you use step-by-step prompts, ChatGPT gives you clear and structured answers that are easier to follow. This is extremely useful for learning new skills, solving problems, creating detailed plans. Tip number 3, ask ChatGPT to improve your prompt. Here's a trick that almost nobody talks about. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite your prompt to make it better. For example, improve this prompt to get better results from ChatGPT. This allows ChatGPT to turn your simple question into a high-quality prompt, and better prompts equals better answers. Many professionals use this trick to get more accurate and detailed results. So those were 3 hidden ChatGPT tips and tricks that can instantly improve the way you use AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools and tips. And let me know in the comments, which ChatGPT trick surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.